Hello everyone! I am Estella and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make glowing logo watermark. So let's see the result first. You can make both. The first one is glowing watermark and second one is transparent. I'll show you both. Let's begin. First, add the logo of your choice, but it should be on green image you can see. Mine you can find many on Pinterest. Then write your name and choose any font, but it should be bold. Then set it however you like and export it. Now make a new project and add a video on which you want to apply this watermark. Now click on overlay and add the video you just saved. Now zoom it like I did so it can cover the ratio. Click on speed and make it slow so it can cover your video length, or if you want to add it as a picture so you can take screenshot of your video from gallery and then add it as an overlay, your choice. Now click on your overlay and then click on remove background. Click on chroma key and then place the color picker on white part like I did and make the intensity full and export it. As I already told you, your font should be bold. If it is not, then the color picker would not work correctly. After you export it, go back and delete your overlay. Then click on overlay and select the video you just saved. Again, click on background, then on chroma key, and now choose the green part and make the intensity full. If your overlay has black or white borders, then crop it. Now place it wherever you want and see your result. Your glowing logo watermark is ready. You can place it at the middle also. Now I'll show you how to make it transparent. Add your overlay which you made along with text. Again, make it speed slow so it can cover your video's length. Click on transform and crop it if it has black or white border. Now click on remove background and click on chroma key. Now choose the green part from color picker. Increase its intensity until the green part disappear. Make sure not to light white part too much so it disappear. Now click on splices and choose overlay. Place your logo wherever you want. And your transparent logo watermark is ready. Thanks for watching my video, and if you find my video helpful, then please appreciate. If you want any other tutorial, then let me know in comments. Follow my Instagram for more edits at BTS__Euphoria97. Till then, stay safe. Love from Estella.